Hi, this is Rod Katywk, and I want to show you guys how to use the Schluter Kerdi adapter drain on top of a RodKat shower pan when you come into a situation like this where you have a three-piece drain that's installed. That's what this adapter drain is made for by Schluter, and it's a really easy one to work with. The first thing you're going to do is unbolt and take off your clamping ring. Actually, none of this you'll need anymore. Then Schluter provides their adapter ring right here. So there's different holes in here for different manufacturers of these three-piece drains. You'll figure out which drain you want or which holes work, and you're going to just basically, with their Kerdi, and the good thing about Schluter, guys, is Schluter has a lot of information on their products. So when you buy the drain, it's going to give you all the directions you need to install this. If that's not enough, there's a lot on YouTube also. But anyway, this is a great user-friendly drain to use. So you're going to use the Kerdi fix. You're going to Kerdi fix around here. You're going to put the adapter ring in, and you're going to bolt it back in place. You'll have that all bolted in place. You'll spread your thin set onto your subfloor, and you'll install the RodKat shower tray. Press it in place. Make sure you've got good full coverage. Your next step is going to be to put thin set around our divot here for the drain. And you're going to take the Schluter drain and you're going to press it down into place. And you're going to stop when you're flush or just a little bit under the RodKat shower tray. The next step is going to be to just put the Kerdi fabric on to waterproof both the bond flange and the shower tray. And again, all the information and all the instructions are in here. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Just so you guys know how easy this is, it's just that easy.